Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is Indonesian food. It's called Sayur Bening in Indonesia, which translated to clear soup, but I used chopped spinach in the recipe, so the broth itself or the soup itself it's not clear anymore. The boys love it when it's paired with fried chicken or fried tempeh, but you can eat it as is, but most especially it's pretty nice to serve with warm rice. I'll see you soon again, and bye. So slice 20 baby carrots roughly, or mini carrots, just slice roughly, and we're gonna rinse it. And then sliced in 5 garlic and small onion, and prepared 2 cherry tomatoes, and of course 1 tin of corn, and about 150 gram of frozen spinach. Now we're gonna bring to boil 5 to 6 cups of water. Water fully boiled, drop in your carrots and boil it until half cooked, half tender. After carrot boiled for 5 minutes on high, lower the heat to medium, and then we're gonna drop in our frozen half block of spinach, so that's about 150 gram, and boil it about 2-3 minutes until it's coming apart from the solid shape. Once spinach is spread out or come off apart, add in 1 tin of corn. Just give a little stir, and then we're gonna add in our onion and garlic, and then we're gonna boil for another 3 to 5 minutes before we add in our cherry tomatoes. Half your cherry tomatoes, and we're gonna drop them into the pot, and now season the soup with sugar and salt. So the soup is a bit on the sweeter side, but not too sweet. So you want salt to taste, but also balance it with your salt. I mean, you want sugar to taste, sweet taste, but balance it with your salt as well. And your soup is ready. You can serve it as is or with warm rice.